Welcome to Little Chef's Kitchen Adventures. Meet Mia, a 6-year-old with a big imagination and an even bigger white chef's hat, and her mom, Sarah. Today, they are inviting you into their warm, sunlit kitchen to bake something truly special together. Hunting for tools. Next, it's time for a kitchen scavenger hunt. Sarah guides Mia to find the big mixing bowl and the sturdy wooden spoon. Mia feels like a real professional as she gathers everything they need on the wooden counter. Scrub-a-dub-a-dub. Every great culinary adventure starts at the sink. Sarah explains that clean hands are a chef's most important tool. Mia laughs as she creates a mountain of bubbles, making sure her hands are sparkly clean and ready to cook. Ready, set, bake. The kitchen is prepped, the tools are out, and the aprons are tied tight. Mia and Sarah share a high five. It's time to start their recipe. Everything is in its place for a perfect afternoon of baking. The flour mountain. The measuring begins. Sarah shows Mia how to level off the flour so it's just right. Mia carefully pours the white powder into the bowl, watching it pile up like a snowy mountain. A sprinkle of sweetness. Time for the sugar. Mia watches the tiny, glittering crystals rain down into the bowl. Sarah explains how the sugar will make their treats sweet and golden.
Now for the tricky part, the egg. With Sarah's steady hand guiding her, Mia gives the egg a gentle tap. Click, clack, pop. The golden yolk joins the dry ingredients with a satisfying splash. It's time to mix. Mia grips the wooden spoon and stirs with all her might. Sarah cheers her on as the ingredients transform from separate piles into a smooth, thick dough. Rolling the dough. The dough is ready. Mia and Sarah take small pieces and roll them between their palms. Mia loves the squishy feeling as she creates perfectly round dough balls. Stars and hearts. Time to get creative. Mia picks out her favorite cookie cutters. With a firm press, she turns the dough into stars and hearts, while Sarah helps her space them out on the baking tray. Safety first at the oven. The oven is hot and ready. Sarah reminds Mia that only grown-ups handle the oven to stay safe. Mia stands back and watches proudly as her mother carefully slides the tray into the heat. The great wait. As a delicious smell fills the kitchen, Mia and Sarah peek through the oven glass. They watch the cookies puff up and turn a beautiful golden brown, counting down the minutes together. Setting the stage. While the cookies cool, it's time to set the table. Mia helps Sarah lay out the colorful napkins and the pretty plates, making sure everything looks perfect for their snack. The tidy up team? A good chef always cleans up. Mia and Sarah work together to wash the bowls and wipe the counters. Sarah tells Mia that cleaning is much faster when you do it as a team. Finally, the best part of the day. Mia, Sarah, and the family sit down to enjoy the warm, homemade cookies. As they eat, they realize that the secret ingredient wasn't just sugar. It was the love and teamwork they shared.
An adventure 65 million years in the making. 10 plus pages of dynamite activities. Grab your copy now.
Give them a head start. 26 plus interactive pages. Trace, color, learn. Download the printable PDF now. I've been looking for an alphabet workbook that isn't boring, and I finally found it. My toddler is obsessed with the little bees.